Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. Milo J here, featuring NICKI NICOLE. This song is called ALUMBRE. So it's a little bit uplifting sometimes to do songs and tutorials on them and have no idea about what they're singing about. Anyway, let's take a look at this one. So it's very easy, this one. If you set your capo here on the 2nd fret, we have 4 different chords. We have the A minor, G, F, and F minor. So the first chord, A minor, that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. The next chord will be G, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Then we have the last 2 chords, the F and F minor. It's a very short or little difference there between the chords. So the first one, the F, if you just place a bar here on the 1st fret and the bar all strings there, then you need to add a 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. That's the F chord, and if you lift off the 2nd on G and get that on the 1st G with the bar finger, that will be the F minor. Alright, so that's the only difference there between the F and F minor. So you have the chords in that order: A minor, G, F, and F minor. So you can play this in 2 different ways, or probably more, but yeah, the song here goes pretty much straight downs here if you translate that into a guitar. So you have 4 downs per chord. Okay, so A minor, and then G, then F, and F minor. We can also add up, which it does later, to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So that is pretty much how I handle this song called ALUMBRE from Milo J and NICKI NICOLE. A minor, G, F, and F minor, 4 downs, or twice as many, 8 downs per chord. So hope you enjoyed this. Quick tutorials, I like that, so I hope you do that as well. If you do, please thumb up the tutorial and show me some support here on Gordon Guitar. Till next time, play tuned.